now this is what we need. We need to set up a key so that if there is charges, so if charge is superior to 0, we open the upgrade UI. And yeah, so for that we'll need some kind of system to be able to open menus on the fly. So right now we have this canvas here that is displaying the experience. See if I can show the, yeah. So this is the experience overlay. And what I want... Okay. My chat was gonna... didn't understand where I moved it. And I forgot about it. Okay, so I would like to have a script on here that is going to toggle overlays. And so I think I'm gonna add a new script on this. And it's going to be... it's gonna be a UI manager, I guess. Probably gonna be a singleton. A new script, of course. Okay, it's a bit weird that it doesn't take the name here. But so be it. So we already have a singleton for the experience here. So I think I'm gonna just like copy a bunch of this stuff here. See, like mostly, yeah. This and this. This. So this needs to be a UI manager, of course. And there we go. We have a singleton for the UI manager. And now I think I'm gonna want an enum for the name of the menus. So let's go down here. Let's have a new enum that's gonna be UI. Call this UI menu, yeah. I'm a bit split if this should be UI menu or it should be UI overlay, because we do have the experience, which we are also going to want to toggle. Yeah, so let's call this UI overlay. And so one of them is going to be experience, the other one is going to be upgrades. Yep. And in here, I would like, of course, I would like a dictionary for this. If I'm gonna link both, but I know dictionaries don't work well with the editor. So I guess what I'm gonna have instead is a list of game object. I want a list actually. Okay, now I guess I want an internal dictionary. So let's say I have a dictionary of the keys are so UI overlay and the because let me see how I'm gonna set this up, because what is the thing that I need to activate or deactivate here? If I want to enable this, oh, I guess I'm just gonna enable or disable the whole game object then. Okay. Alright, so game object it is. So here I'll put them manually. Like, this is gonna be the experience UI overlay. And this is gonna be the upgrades UI overlay. And here we're gonna have a new with you can do this like this, right? It's not happy with the equal. Valid token in equal in class record struct or enterprise member declaration. Oh, yeah, I have to give this a name, of course. So let's call this overlay. Yeah, overlay. Shit. Overlay to a game object. Yeah, it's a bit weird actually. Let's call this name to UI overlay. Yeah, why not? Okay, so here I want to say UI overlay that experience equals experience. Wait, what? This is okay. It's been a long time that I didn't write a dictionary in C#, but I believe this is the right syntax. See. Oh, it's wait. Oh, okay. It is like this then. I don't think it wants to. So possibly because it won't let me initialize it from here. So I guess I'll do it in the awake then. name to UI overlay. There we go. Is it not formatting this properly? Or is it not correct? I think it's correct. Let's see. So UI overlay, upgrades is experience. It's not experience, it's upgrades. Grades UI overlay, and here it seems to be happy about it, so should work. So now I want a public static the toggle overlay. And we'll take a UI overlay. Name. Static void. Or maybe we could return the new state, but I'm not sure it's useful. So let's not try to predict the future. I'm also gonna want to have a simple show and hide. Because yeah, sometimes you want that. For sure it's gonna be useful at some point. And I think the toggle will even use it anyway, so there we go. Alright, so we have a show hide, and so here we can say if shown first we need to keep track of the states of the different things, and does that mean I need a special struct for this? Because I kind of want to oh wait, I could even maybe if I use a struct, can I make it so that I don't have to make the dictionary myself in the code? I believe yes. Yeah, I believe so. Let's try to do that then. I cannot. Okay, I need to rename my enum because it's just weird. It's too generic for something that is just a name. Alright, so of course. Wait, why? We did not rename it here. Oh, I know why. Okay, so let me remove this. Let me cancel this. Not all of it, just this. Now, all right. So now, let's make a struct. Gonna be UI overlay, and we are going to take a UI overlay name. This is public stuff. We're going to take a game object. Game object. I guess because I'm always using this convention here, putting public stuff with a capital letter, I will keep it here also. So this is gonna be a bool, and it's gonna be initial call it is shown start. Alright, so now I think I want to remove this in favor of having just a list of UI overlays. And no, I'm not gonna name it like this. But yeah, I'll call it like this. And yep. I prefer to do it this way, because if I change the type again, then you only need to change it here, not in both places. So hey, hey Jim. Happy to see you again. I didn't think you would be on at this time. I have finally shifted myself to wake up at I was gonna say normal hours, but it's more like very early hours. Right, so I will get rid of this for now, as I don't think we're gonna be using this. And let's see in Unity that we can actually set this up properly. Yeah, probably doesn't exist. Okay, so let's look at our UI manager now. Oh yeah. Forgot something very important, which is this needs to be system serializable. It's very important, otherwise it will not be able to display it in here. What is this? I mean, this isn't doing anything crazy. Not sure. Alright, so here I should be able to add them the experience, and here we just drop the experience UI, and we say this one is shown at start. And then here, this one is upgrades, and oh yeah, I just copied the other one, okay. Here we're gonna create a new one. UI. I guess that's just like a new panel. Let's rename it upgrades UI, and let's go back to here. Let's set this to be the game object, and this will not be shown at start. And also deactivate it here. Could do it in two ways. Either I could also set the state from whether the game object is. Actually, that's better probably. Yeah, that's better. We're not gonna track this over here. Obviously, I click all of them before clicking the purple one. All right, so okay, so yeah, I'm not going to track it. I'm going to instead have a function for it. Is overlay shown. Yeah. No. Name. And so here we're gonna return okay, so I still kind of want a dictionary then. It's not too bad because the other way that I would do this is take the list, like find which one has the name, and like there's not gonna be that many of them, so it won't cost that much to do this filtering every time, but at the same time, I think it's much better if we if we actually have a dictionary. And yeah, so the naming makes more sense also like this. And so instead of initializing it like this, what I'm gonna do is a for each UI overlay in UI overlays. Oh, yeah, my bad. Overlay. Right, so now we need to build up the dictionary. So let's say name to UI overlay that add overlay that name and overlay that game objects. Well, actually, no. We're gonna add itself. If we want to know if one is shown or not, then we can simply do actually, let's have a getter for it. It's gonna be a private getter, I think. So here we'll return. Wait, it's gonna be void. We do this, yeah. So I guess if oh, it's static. My bad. Instance that name to UI overlay that has contains key name actually, so it, like, if it does not contain it, then we return null. And otherwise we return instance that, yeah. Okay. Just so this is get overlay name, and so here we'll say get overlay by name. Can we do this? Oh yeah, that's really nice. We don't wanna, actually we do want to return something here. That game object that is active. Active. This is deprecated. This is not deprecated. I have no idea what is the difference between this and this. Depends whether the game object is active in the scene. The local active state of this game object. Okay, whatever. Or false. Okay, it's weird, so that doesn't work like JavaScript. This. Oh yeah, that's not the... Okay, I think it's like this then. If this is null, it will return false. Not sure what Nietzsche objects should not use null propagation. Is this not working as I think it is? Okay. Okay, I think this is fine. Because this is the thing that can be null. This should never be null. If it is, well, things can blow up, it's fine. I think it should blow up if this is null. And now, so let's do the show. So this is gonna be set to I'm pretty sure it's set active. Or is it? Let's try. Oh wow! It actually predicted what I wanted to do because of me trying stuff, trying random stuff. That is crazy. Wow, that's amazing. Let's go. And so here it's gonna be false. And here we're gonna say um yeah. We're just gonna say if it is already shown, then hide and else show. Yeah, this is not the most concise way to do it, but oh, at least it's clear. Right. So with this, if I set this to not be shown, and so just to test, I'm gonna add an update here. And we're gonna do input.get key up and key code that is written enter. Or just put space. At least I know for sure what this is. I shouldn't. I didn't put if. So if input.get key up space. Let's toggle it. And let's toggle the upgrades one. So this is more or less going to be the code that we need. Alright, and it's not working. The reference at awake. What the? Oh, yeah, need to initialize this. Do this. Uh, And let's go, it's working, let's go. I guess that's very good. Alright, so now I can make it so that this opens, but I don't want this to be in here. However, it's gonna be the experienced singleton's responsibility. I think. Yeah, why not? It's a bit let's try to keep this consistent here. So we'll do. So I should really use the proper input system, but for now I won't. So get key up. Same thing, key code that up. Space. But I want to add another condition, which is we need to have upgrade charges superior to 0. No F, not a floating number. Yeah, superior to 0 is fine. And in this case, I will call a UI manager and ask it to open, show the UI overlay that upgrades. And then we'll have to make the UI itself, which is going to be the harder part. Alright, so here I cannot open it. Let me kill a bunch of ships. Okay, and now I can. Let's go.